Swami Vivekananda is not merely a historical figure to me. He is a living force of inspiration. For me, Swami Vivekananda represents fearlessness, self-belief, spiritual strength, and service to humanity. He embodies the idea that every individual is potentially divine and that life's true purpose lies in realizing this divinity through self-confidence, discipline, and service. Whenever I reflect on his words, I feel a renewed sense of clarity, courage, and responsibility towards myself, society, and the nation. His emphasis on education is not merely information, but man-making education. This has deeply influenced my belief that true learning should build character, confidence, and a sense of service. He once said, "Education which does not help the common mass of people to equip themselves for the struggle of life, which does not bring out the strength of a character, a spirit of philanthropy, and the courage of a lion, is it worth the name?" Real education is that which enables one to stand on one's own leg. In today's national scenario, Swami Vivekananda is more relevant than ever. Bharat stands at a very crucial juncture, economically advancing, technologically empowered, yet facing challenges such as social fragmentation, moral confusion, and loss of civilizational confidence. He believed in spirituality awakened and self-reliant, that is Atmanirbhar, and culturally proud Bharat. To him, education was a manifestation of perfection that is already in man, not just marks, degrees, or diplomas. His vision for Bharat was very strong, not by imitating the West, but by standing tall on its own civilizational value and deep-rooted cultural values, spiritual and historical legacy. Vivekananda reminds us that a nation rises not merely through material prosperity, but through strong, value-driven citizens. He believed that India's greatest contribution to the world lies in the spiritual heritage, not as a dogma, but as a universal wisdom. A resurgent Bharat really requires youth who are confident in their roots, competent in their modern skills. So, teach yourself, teach everyone his real nature. Call upon that sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is roused to self-conscious activity. One of Swami Vivekananda's greatest gift to humanity was bringing to limelight the Advaita Vedanta, the philosophy of oneness of existence to the entire world. Advaita teaches us that the same divine consciousness pervades all beings. In today's world, which is torn by conflict, intolerance, environmental degradation, and identity-based divisions, Advaita offers a powerful solution when we truly understand that harming another is harming oneself. Exploitation completely becomes impossible. Advaita fosters universal compassion, inclusiveness, ecological sensitivity. It bridges science and spirituality, reason and faith, individual freedom and collective responsibility. My advice to the youth of this country is simple yet profound. Study Swami Vivekananda seriously, not superficially. Read his work, reflect on his ideas, and more importantly, live his teachings. Let the youth combine modern education, spiritual wisdom, global competence, and national pride and ambition with compassion. Yet, the youth of India must study Advaita Vedanta not as a blind belief but as a rational, experiential philosophy that builds inner strength and ethical clarity. Swami Vivekananda envisioned a strong India that contributes to global peace and progress through eternal wisdom and service. If today's youth embrace his ideals, India will not only rise as an economic power but as a moral, spiritual, and knowledge leader for the whole world. In realizing this truth lies the future of our nation and humanity itself. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.